Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I will show you how to get the half screen filter on TikTok. So let's start. First open the TikTok app. When the app is opened you have to tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Then you have to tap on the FX on bottom left corner. Now you have to search for the half screen filter. If you tap on new you will see that half screen filter here. I have already saved it. Now tap on that to use this filter. Now tap on the screen. And now you can start recording your video. And that is how you can get the half screen filter on TikTok. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.